Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. It is Mercedes McKenzie. By the title, I'm doing another Teddy Blake review. Y'all, I haven't did a Teddy Blake review in about maybe a year. Like the last time I did one was 2021, I believe. And since then, I did purchase 2 new bags, which I'm only doing one. I'll do the other bag maybe another day. By the title, I'll be doing a Teddy Blake review. If you're new to my channel, hello, how you doing? Make sure you subscribe. If you're old to my channel, y'all know I already did a review on one of their bags before, so you can check that out in the description box below. This Teddy Blake review is much different. So guys, this handbag is way different than the last one. Not only is it a different material, but this one is custom made, okay? Blake, I don't think they do too many custom bags, so your girl feels special, okay? Your girl definitely feels like that girl. Let's get into my new handbag, my new baby. I'm so excited to show y'all. Like, when I got this bag, girl, I found love instantly. So let's get into it. This is the box. It is so big, y'all. And it's not as heavy as it looks. So yeah, this is the box. It says Teddy Blake, New York. And when you open it, y'all, this box is almost bigger than me. But when you open it, it says Teddy Blake, New York. Designer handbags made in Italy, luxury leather. Each Teddy Blake handbag has been made with you in mind to be an extension of your unique style and flatter your every fashion choice. Let's do this unboxing. So we could really call this an unboxing if y'all like. Unboxing, review, both, either or. When you take it out of the bubble wrap, of course, it comes in a dust bag, a Teddy Blake dust bag. Drum roll, please. Somebody give me a drum roll. Look how beautiful. Y'all, this bag is so beautiful. The material, the color, the details, the size. Girl, this bag screams fall. Like, I mean, don't get me wrong, you could definitely wear this for any season, but like this, I feel like this is gonna give this season. Like, I haven't really been seeing the girls do too much croc. And this is the Georgia style handbag in the color dark chocolate croc, and it is 14 inches. But this is the Georgia bag in the color dark chocolate croc, and it is so pretty. Of course, it has gold hardware, and I feel like this really like complements the dark chocolate. And it is a great size, so if you're like 5'5", 140 pounds, this 14-inch is really gonna be super cute. It's not too large, but not super small either. This bag is custom made, so you can't find it on the website, but what you can do is DM Teddy Blake or email them, either or, and reach out to them, tell them, you know, you want a custom bag. You could maybe send them like a inspo. Like the inspo I sent them was the Birkin. So let me show y'all. So I sent this to them, and then they sent me the different colors they had, and the different styles that's like similar to the Birkin. So they actually made it sooner than what it was supposed to be made. They told me it was gonna take 12 weeks, but it was actually done quicker than that since what they say? Yeah, so that's what happened. The supplier had made a confusion and made the bag along with the rest of the orders. So my bag was really supposed to be made with like a whole other set, but it was processed a little quicker. So, I mean, who mad at that? I'm not mad. Yeah, this bag did cost $549. It's not real crocodile, it's real leather. Like, if this was real crocodile, this bag would cost thousands of dollars. So it's not real croc, it's real leather though. So to open the bag, you're just gonna take this hardware and turn it vertical and push these little flaps forward. But then you just grab the middle, lift up these sides, and here's your bag inside. It has a crossbody strap inside. So as y'all see, I've never worn this bag before. I wanted to show y'all before like I brought it out into the real world. Welcome. I was thinking about y'all before I even thought about myself. Think about that. As inside this Georgia bag, you do have one pocket and one zipper. So I don't know if y'all can really see, but the zipper's right here and it says Teddy Blake across it. And on this side, you just have your little pocket. Yeah, on the inside, it is suede, but on the sides of the bag, like right here and right here, on the inside, you'll notice that like it kind of has like croc print right here, but it's still suede. So I don't know, like, but in the inside, the color is like a beige and it is suede inside. So that's that. You could wear it like this. Like I know like a lot of the fashion girlies would just wear it with the flap open. So like this is how like they'll wear the Birkins basically. Yeah, we balling on a budget, okay? This is how we wear our Teddy Blake. Ooh, not my shirt on. So yeah, and this is the back of the bag, just croc, plain, no, nothing special. So underneath of the bag, you have the gold foots. You have 2 on each side, so 4. Yeah, this bag is brand new in their collection. Like there's nothing like it. I don't even think they have many croc in their collection. So that's something I'm gonna have to check out. But I absolutely love this bag. I love how it resembles a Birkin, only for like thousands of dollars cheaper, okay? Everybody ain't got money to spend like that, and that's fine. You don't have to spend an arm and a leg to still have a nice quality bag. Like this is quality hardware, quality leather, and you could actually carry a lot in this bag. Like it's not one of those bags where if you put your laptop and camera in it, it's gonna start breaking and falling apart. At least I could say for Teddy Blake handbags. I'm not gonna say this one exactly because I haven't carried it yet, but my other 2 handbags carry my computer, my perfume, my makeup bag, my camera, and the bags still look good. Like they're not falling apart, they're not ripping, but I also treat my bags with care. Like I don't just throw them around and leave them anywhere. Like after I'm done with them, I put them in their dust bags. I rotate my bags so I don't wear the same bag for a month straight. Of course it's gonna freaking fall apart. Any bag is gonna fall apart if you wear it every day for months and months and years. Like, keep it in a rotation, keep it fresh. I do recommend is treating your bags with care. Treat your bag like it's a baby or like it's a dog. Like, don't just throw it around. Don't just, like, don't act like a crazy woman. Like, don't go beating up people with your purse. Be a lady, carry your bag properly, and I promise you, your bag is going to last a long time and look good. But I love these Teddy Blake bags. I feel like they're very girly, very chic, without costing you an arm and a leg. Like I said, everybody doesn't have Birkin money. But we could look like it. So guys, that completes my Teddy Blake unboxing. I hope y'all enjoyed, and I hope y'all love the bag, y'all. Like I said, I feel so special that they customized this bag just for me. But I'm in love with my Teddy Blake bag. Y'all know I love me some Teddy Blake. I'll leave my other videos in the description box below so y'all can check that out. Make sure y'all subscribe and like this video. If there's anything else y'all want to see or any questions y'all have about this bag, let me know in the comments below. Like, if y'all have any questions, comments, concerns, let me know, because I know what it's like trying to buy something and you're still on the fence about it. So just let me know, girl. We can talk. We could be here. Also, make sure y'all follow me on my social media so we can stay connected, and I'll leave that in my description box below. But that is it for my Teddy Blake unboxing. I hope y'all enjoyed, and I'll see y'all next time. Mwah.